Wintertime into the early spring is a perfect time to plant trees and shrubs in the landscape. We celebrated Arbor Day last weekend here in Louisiana, and the celebrations will continue across the state through the month of January. You can probably find some events if you look at our online calendars, but this is a great time to consider planting a tree, and I think that every day should be Arbor Day, and we should be planting trees all the time. They have so many benefits. First of all, they benefit our environment. When we plant trees, they help mitigate flooding and to clean the water. They also clean the air. In addition, they provide many other ecosystem services. They provide habitats for squirrels and birds. They provide food for insects. So this whole food web is ultimately supplied by our trees, our shrubs, and all of the plants that we use in our landscape. And your lawn can actually benefit and bring a little bit of nature home. It can also add value to your home. Trees are one of those things that as they grow, they actually appreciate instead of depreciating, right? So consider planting trees, get you some native ones. We have this Dahoon holly here. You can see the red berries, the birds love those. Remember, the insects love to eat on these. All types of oaks, maples, don't forget our bald cypress, don't forget all the different types of hollies. You can also plant those beautiful ornamental trees such as Japanese magnolias and Granty graybeards, some of those other natives that provide flowers in the spring. But get out there, plant yourself a tree, plant some shrubs. The winter time right now is the best time to plant. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.